Hello everybody, welcome back to Daj Gaming. I'm Daj and we are back in the science building. Last time I left you, I had set up an automated system to turn skin scrapings from squids using the DNA analyzer into cells. And the resultant action is I've got a whole bunch of machines now that I've used the cells as component parts to make. If you want to know what I'm talking about, see my last video. So, we're going to put these machines down in the order that they used, from this end to that end, with a gap in between. So the first one is the extractor. Here. I'm going to put a gap, and we need the decryptor. And then we need the splitter. Oh, there it is. Then the breeder. Then the centrifuge. And the combiner. Wasted a couple of bits there, never mind. Alright, so they're all hooked up. They should all be getting power. Getting power, getting power, getting power, getting power. Getting power, getting power. Aboosh. Let's start messing about with some genes. Oh, I never thought I'd say that sentence. It's fantastic. Righty, ho ho ho. We have got scrapers. So we're going to get some more scrapings of different animals. I think there's something very particular that I want to get scrapings of. How do I get? Oh, I'm on the bottom floor. I was looking for a way out of the bottom floor. And I was looking for stairs. Okay, so we go into the mine. Mines of Moria. They're not really the mines of Moria. Just saying. Suppose we could take one from you. What do you offer me? Take a few. And then we kill your ass! Yippee! With these boots on as well. I don't know if you see my boots, the free runners. Yeah, I showed you the free runners, didn't I? You can actually step up without having to jump. Oh. I heard the noise of the thing I'm looking for. Did I bring a torch with me? I never bring a torch. Ah, there we go. Oh, I can hear it chirping away. There it is! Oh, that killed it. Well, it's all in the name of science, bat. So, stop moving. Let's head off. Let's just check, did I get that? Zombie, 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 bat. Here, another one. There it is. I might as well just get more because obviously the genes of each individual animal are slightly different, and I'm hoping this is a different bat. Is it full health? Yeah. Got away. Oh, there's loads here. This is beautiful. Get one from here as well. Oh my god. Go away. No! Hide. Now where do my little bats go? My little bat friends. There he is. Gotcha! Ah, another one. Make sure I just didn't kill him. Oh, I was going to kill all my samples on the floor then. There are bats everywhere. I always thought they were rare. They are flipping everywhere. And I want to collect maybe one more. No, never mind. Alright, let's go. Back to the surface. Aha. And we're out, motherfuckers. See you later, bitches. Okay, back on surface. Excellent. Took me all of about 9 years. That was a lie. Nom 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 nom. Alright. So, We still need to do the same process with the analyzer. Let's choose one of the bat ones because I'm interested to see. Take these organic drops. We don't need them, but we'll take them. I suppose I could just set my yeah, sorry, I can keep that system and just deposit things in there. Like so. Just as an interesting point, you notice that I want to link this up to that, but I'm not clicking there. That's a mistake people make. They often click there and that crashes the game. So I'm going to click there and it links it up. Because even though that transport node looks like it occupies that entire block, so you're trying to put a pipe, one of these transfer pipe things I'm holding, into a block that's already occupied. The game doesn't like it. I think that's what it is anyway. So we'll just drop these in as we usually do. Keep the system crack-a-lacking. Where's my bat? There we are. Advanced bat genetics. So we put the cell in the extractor. The extractor will take out the DNA. It'll give me a helix. If I've worked this out right. Okay, it's helix. It's got the gene F17AAA. And then we put the decryptor into, put the helix into the decryptor, and this will tell us what the gene F17AAA is. You know, what the special ability, well, not necessarily special, but, it's a basic gene. Alright, and the splitter will, well, let's try a different bat gene then. What have we got? Squid, spider. We've got a bat one going through now. Let's try the spider one, see what that gives us. What? Okay, so what you would imagine a spider being able to do is climb walls. So 28B3DA does sound like the naming convention of genes as well. I study biology, and that's why I want to do these science mods, because this is very reminiscent of, well, the Minecraft version at least, of what I've been doing in class. So the splitter, I chose the gene climb, and it's now going to split the specific gene for climb out of that entire run of nucleotides. A DNA sequence. Here we go. Come. We've got the gene for climb now. Excellent. And another organic drop. Whoop-de-frickin-do. What's this? This is the breeder. Do we need the breeder? Let me see. We need to place non-basic gene into the right slot of the breeder. Right, okay. What do we feed it with? What do we put in here? Is there anything? I don't know what we put in here. We have to put 16. It tells me we need 16 of something, but it doesn't tell me of what, and that's what we have to put in here. And it'll then put that in here. Okay, well, I'll work that out in a second. Let me just, I don't know why I did that. We need to find a syringe, an empty syringe. I think I've got a syringe actually, hang on. Syringe, excellent. So, if we hold syringe, and then we just hold anywhere and we go, dunk! We get a little bit hurt because we've now got a syringe filled with our blood. And we put the syringe in a centrifuge. We'll just get that centrifuge in whilst we work out what we have to do here. So I think we have to feed it with cells, maybe. Doesn't make sense. You wouldn't want to put... No. I just guessed that because of the picture on the front. So that looks like the gene, and these look like cells. But right, it says I need to put basic genes in there, but I did that. Maybe at this stage. So let's get some extractors, extracting some basic genes. Maybe before the... No, that doesn't make sense. Oh, I'll put bats in here as well, actually. I've got 2 bats and a zombie. So that's a different gene. So what happens if I put that in here? I don't know why you'd want to mix genes. Doesn't make sense. Right, so we've got that. It's currently encrypted, so we're decrypting it. Fly. That's why I wanted bats. It's beautiful. I'm going to have a look into this breeder a bit more. I'll be back in 1 second. Alright guys, I'm back, and after a little bit of research I worked out that I need to pop the basic gene in here, and that brings me the basic gene and byproduct. So now I put the basic gene in this side, and what I'm doing there is because this is obviously only part of the whole DNA sequence, so you can't just stick that in yourself. Apparently, you've got to get 16 of these basic genes as well. That sounds absolutely nuts. All right, let's just start doing this because they don't stack. So goodness gracious, it's going to take a while. 16. Alright there guys, so we've got the last basic gene in the DNA splitter to split out that gene, and here it is. Dush dush. And we'll chuck that in there, and that should be the 16th, and we'll have this complete. In the process I've also got water breathing, resistance, water breather, fly, water breather, fly, resistance, and basic gene. So we can have a look at making all those as well. So this is now completed, we can take this out. Let's have a look. Water breather takes... Yeah. I don't understand what's going on here. Okay, whatever. Anyway, we've got our syringed blood now, and our complete gene, and we can combine them. We're putting that gene into the blood. That's been centrifuged in our syringe. It's now full. And if we hold... Hey. It's not working. Why it no work? Why it no work? Ah, you have to centrifuge it one more time. Okay, fair enough. Go back to centrifuge. And pudding-a-ling. And then now I'm all dizzy and shit. Nausea for 5 seconds. I hate this animation. Messes my face up. But I think what you need to do now, as a cautionary measure, is go take a syringe of that blood, and now I've got a backup, because if you die, you lose the genetic ability somehow. So theoretically, I'll take off all my armor. That was probably a bad idea. That's freaking awesome. That's amazing. Do you still take damage? Yeah. But now I can climb. And if I were to die, I've got now a syringe filled with my blood, with that mutation inside, so I could just stick that back in me and then take another backup syringe from that. Wow. I love this mod. I love this mod pack. I love this mod. I'm going to keep carrying on, and obviously it takes so long to do this. There's no point doing it on camera, so I'll test out a whole bunch of different genes, and I'll record the interesting ones, and I will probably show you in sort of montages, or I'll just collect them, and then I can just spend an episode sticking something in me, seeing what it does, and then dying to remove it, and then showing you another one that I've already got prepared. But anyway, that's been really fun. I'm looking forward to carrying on with this mod. There's a whole bunch of other genetic mods. There's also like mad science mods, which is based on genetics again, and there's also some tech mods that I want to get involved with as well as some breeding mods. So that's still kind of science based. So breeding different fish and different animals, and you can combine different animals to make your own little monsters and stuff. Some cloning labs you can set up. There's a whole bunch we can do. So I'm really looking forward to that. Anyway, thank you everyone for watching. I'm Daj, and as always, subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.